Shah here. Today let me show you the easy way of making compost. Okay, this is the very easy way of making. See, this is the last 2 months before I had made compost. This we call it as black gold. Here, see, it is so nice, so fresh, and your plants will certainly enjoy. This is made totally from the kitchen waste. Whatever you get it from the kitchen, the food waste, but it should not be soggy. The food waste, the peels, anything. Okay. So let me just show you how to make. Now take some container like this. Okay, make a hole everywhere. See, even here I have made a hole all over here, and you should have a tight lid and make a hole on the lid also. Okay, it should be like this, and then you need a waste like this. See, these are all today's peels and leftover vegetable, and here this is the tea residue and the coffee after taking the decoction, the residue of the coffee powder. Then this is the dry leaves. You need to have dry leaves. Okay, and these are all the puja flowers. Then you need newspapers. Then you need cardboard boxes like this. The cardboard box should not have a plastic sheet on top. Okay, because you should be able to suck the moisture that is in the wet waste. Okay, and then you need cocoa peat. This is the cocoa peat. Okay, cocoa peat is nothing but the outer this husk of the coconut. Okay, the outer fiber, I can say, of the coconut that is dried. You can make it by yourself. Whatever the the outer fiber from the coconut shell, you can just remove it, dry it, and then cut it into small pieces. You can do it. You need not buy it. Okay, so you need this. Now let me just show you how to make it. First you put just very few this thing. See, below this you should need you need a plate, because the whatever liquid that oozes out from this is called as leachate. So that leachate you should collect it. You should always have a lid below this. Okay, on the lid keep this. Okay, first you put the paper. Then take little soil from your plant, from your garden. Okay, after that, see, put the compost. If you don't have compost, you take jaggery. This is jaggery. Okay, jaggery will help to increase the microbes. So no harm in putting both jaggery and this. If you don't have jaggery, you can always add 2 to 3 spoons of sour curd. Okay, sour curd or sour idli batter or dosa batter, whatever it is. I am going to add both here. So add them here. Show it properly, Vela. Here, and then you can add this also. Okay, now spread it evenly. Now this is the dry leaf. Okay, you can remove the twigs. Okay, spread one layer of the dry leaves. See, whenever the dry leaves sheds, you need to collect it and keep it. This is a very good source for making compost. I always collect about 10 to 12 mutas of bags of leaves. I always collect it. So now, after putting 2 layers of this, now here take the peels. Okay, it should not be soggy. Okay, anything you add, see, whatever I have, this is dal, and this is the leftover upma, the akki roti atta. See, all the peels. Put all the peels. Now again you have to take double the quantity of the leaves. You can also add paper, shred the paper. the paper should not be the glossy paper, okay? The newspaper should be such that if you, it should be able to suck the moisture, okay? And you can also cut the, here, cardboard boxes, cardboard pieces, make it into small pieces. These are all called as browns, okay? These are all browns. If you put one level of greens are the kitchen waste, you have to put 2 level of the browns. It could be leaves or it could be anything. Here, now press it, okay? Now you can add the puja, see, the puja flowers. The puja flowers, again spread it evenly. Then this is the coffee, yeah, the tea. See, I use lots of lemongrass, then the pudina, the tulsi, then this is the coffee ground, and other things. So you can just spread them. See, it has already become a little soggy. Now again add, press it. You can remove the twigs, the big twigs. So now the top layer should always be the brown, okay? Now this is over. After 2 to 3 days you can just mix them. Take a stick or something and then try to mix upside down, okay? And again fill it. This is how you need to make, and this is today's waste. It should not be soggy. Now let me just put the, after 3-4 days I'll be mixing it. See, the top layer should be, and you should never leave this compost bucket unattended, okay? Suppose you need to go elsewhere, when you're doing it halfway, cover it properly and go. One thing. And number 2, you should keep them away from rain and direct sunlight, okay? Keep it in such a way that it should have a sunlight, but at the same time it should not be direct. But please keep away from any water source like rain or whatever it is. Now this compost making is over. Now what you should do is, after 3 days, just churn them, just bring it, the top layer should come up and the top layer should go down and the bottom one should come up. But see that the top layer will always have a brown like this. Now keep it covered, okay? Now this will be ready in about 2. See, if you do not have leaves, don't worry, but leaves are always found. It is there everywhere. You have to make sure that you collect it and keep it. If you don't have, as I said, the newspaper, the cardboard box, and this is the cocoa peat, okay? Now try to collect the cocoa peat by yourself. Just spread it, okay? That's all. The process is done. Now you need to cover it. Always keep it covered and keep it dry. So in 2 months this will be ready, okay? I'll show you my compost again. Now see, the compost is ready. Try to remove the unwanted this thing like plastic or paper. Now see, even this thing I had put, the coconut this thing, fiber, okay? Now this compost, you can use it for all your plants. Your plants will certainly enjoy, and you will reduce the wet waste, giving it to BBMP. So thank you very much for watching my channel in the name of Indira Shah. I want all of you to start doing this compost, and please try to use it to your plants and reduce the wet waste. Thank you.